The two divine storytellers open a split screen tracing Noah's Ark as a cosmic miracle that tests obedience and mercy. In the Bible's voice, the flood is a purging storm that calls humanity to repentance and personal responsibility with stern justice. In the Quran's voice, the Ark becomes a sign of patience and trust, stressing submission to the divine plan and mercy. The moral outcome diverges yet converges, as preservation of life requires both righteous action and surrender to destiny. So viewers must decide which version speaks louder to them, which version do you believe?